the end of World War II marked a pivotal moment in global history, establishing the United States as a superpower and the dollar as the world's reserve currency. Among the financial institutions that emerged during this era was Bank of America, which rose to become the largest private bank globally. This transformation is largely attributed to its founder, Amadeo Giannini, an Italian immigrant whose remarkable journey from humble beginnings to banking titan is both inspiring and instructive. Amadeo Giannini was born in 1870 to Italian immigrant parents in California during the gold rush. His father, Luigi, was a hard-working entrepreneur who initially found success in fishing and farming before venturing into real estate. The family thrived by acquiring properties and hotels, catering primarily to fellow Italian immigrants. However, tragedy struck when Amadeo was just 7 years old. His father was shot dead during a labor dispute, leaving his mother, Virginia, to manage the family farm and care for 3 children. This early loss forced young Amadeo to mature quickly. He learned the value of hard work by selling produce alongside his mother and later became the bookkeeper for their family business after Virginia remarried. By age 21, he had transformed their grocery venture into a profitable enterprise in San Francisco. At 31, Giannini decided to retire from the grocery business and explore new opportunities amid the industrial growth in the Bay Area. Recognizing the potential in real estate and banking, he inherited a substantial fortune from his wealthy father-in-law, which included real estate holdings and stocks in a local bank. However, upon discovering that this bank was corrupt, he resolved to start his own institution. In 1904, Giannini founded the Bank of Italy to serve the underserved Italian community in San Francisco. His innovative approach focused on providing loans based on personal trust rather than collateral. This strategy quickly garnered loyalty from customers who had been neglected by other banks. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake proved both a challenge and an opportunity for Giannini. While most banks faltered during this disaster, Giannini's foresight allowed him to save his bank's assets by disguising them as produce and transporting them out of harm's way. He quickly established a temporary banking operation to provide immediate support to those affected by the disaster. His willingness to offer unsecured loans during this crisis solidified Bank of Italy's reputation as a trustworthy institution. Following this success, Giannini expanded operations into Los Angeles and beyond, establishing branches across major cities. As Giannini's influence grew, so did competition with established banking giants like J.P. Morgan Jr. After acquiring several banks in New York and merging them to form Bank of America National Association, Giannini's rapid expansion was met with resistance from Morgan, who launched a smear campaign against him. Despite facing health challenges and market volatility during the Great Depression, Giannini took bold actions to stabilize his bank. He purchased shares of Transamerica Corporation to defend its value against Morgan's attacks, and rallied shareholders to support him after being ousted from his chairmanship. Giannini's resilience paid off when he returned as chairman of Transamerica and Bank of America after rallying shareholder support. His leadership restored public confidence in banking during turbulent times. By 1945, Bank of America had become the largest commercial bank in the world. Giannini's approach emphasized integrity and community service over personal wealth. At his death in 1949, his estate was modest compared to his bank's vast assets. His funeral drew thousands who honored a man known for building a financial empire that served everyday people. Giannini's legacy continues through Bank of America's commitment to accessibility in banking services and community support. His story is not just one of financial success, but also of perseverance and dedication to uplifting those around him. The post-war era saw significant economic growth in America. As consumer demand surged and unemployment remained low, Bank of America played a crucial role in financing this expansion. Giannini understood that banking is fundamentally about confidence. Thus, he focused on building trust with customers. During World War II, rather than competing with other banks like J.P. Morgan's institution, Giannini collaborated with them to finance America's military efforts. This partnership further solidified Bank of America's position as a leader in the financial industry. By 1945, under Giannini's leadership, Bank of America became not just the largest commercial bank but also an essential pillar of American economic stability. Amadeo Giannini passed away in 1949 at age 79 but left behind an indelible mark on American banking and society at large. His funeral attracted over 2,500 attendees, reflecting his impact on countless lives through his commitment to serving ordinary people rather than just wealthy clients. Even after creating the largest private bank globally with over $6 billion in assets at that time, Giannini lived modestly. At his death, His personal estate was valued at only $489,278. His life exemplified how integrity and hard work can lead to monumental achievements while remaining grounded in community values. Today, Bank of America continues to uphold Giannini's vision by providing accessible financial services and supporting communities across the nation. A testament to a legacy built on trust and service that endures through generations.